What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. All right, hope everybody has a great week or has had a great week. A lot of different moves being made in the market, but today we're going over Sundial Growers. So I know it's a popular one that's been in the market, had a lot of volume this week. So let me do a quick analysis of it, and give my opinion on what I think they will do. All right, so this week, Sundial Growers hit a high of $3.96, and then kind of went down after that. They are bearish, in my personal opinion, given the fact that the moving average 10 is below moving average 50. So for my indicators that I have, if the moving average 10, which is this red line, is below moving average 50 or below moving average 100 or below both, then I'll say the stock is bearish or starting a bearish downtrend. So that's just the indicator that I use. I also use the 30-minute time interval, and then I use VWAP as well, and VWAP is below moving average 10. So I would say on both of the metrics that I use, it is a bearish downward trend. So the first indicator that I have or that I use is that moving average 10 is above 50 or 100, which is purple and yellow line. And then the second indicator I use is VWAP is above the moving average 10. So that's on the 30-minute interval chart, which is what I like to use. It's also from the perspective of Webull, so if you'd like to sign up and get 2 free stocks, I have a link down below where you can sign up for Webull. You don't have to sign up to be able to use their charts. That's the nice thing about Webull. So you can just go, and it starts off with the moving average already on there. So it'll give you one of the moving averages. If you go into the settings section, which is this thing right here, you can actually add these other two on there. And then for VWAP, it'll be located in this indicator section. So they ended the day or the week at $2.08. It looks like they're still going down. The market's still open, so it's going down 6 cents to end at 202. So overall, not too bad, not too much of a move from this one. It did have a spike up though to this 396 metric for the week. So on the channel, I like to give some background on what's going on with the company as a whole. So they are a cannabis company based in Canada. So their brands include Sundial, Top Leaf, uh, Palmetto, and Grassland. So these are basically the 4 different companies that are encompassed in the Sundial Group. So Sundial Group includes Sundial, Top Leaf, Palmetto, and Grasslands. As far as press releases are concerned, they just closed a $74.5 million registered offering, and then they just closed a $100 million registered offering. So this was in February 4th, and the other closing of the $100 million one was February the 2nd. And then also in press releases, on here as well, we can see that they had launched a new uh, concentrate that was under their Top Leaf brand. So if we go back to here, so under this Top Leaf company or their subsidiary Top Leaf. So overall, I think they're making a lot of moves. They are a Canadian-based company though, so just bear that in mind when looking at them. If you are in the U.S., they are a Canadian-based company, so they may move a lot differently than a company in the United States does. Overall, I think with the administration that we have in the U.S. Under the Biden administration, I think cannabis is going to be one of those brands that is constantly going to be growing. I think it kind of has been pushed aside until we can get this vaccine rollout distribution under control, and then figure that out. Then I think other things like cannabis and energy are going to be in the forefront. So until that happens, I predict it'll probably be around quarter 3, late quarter 3 of this year. That cannabis will kind of be the focus, but it'll kind of be too late to jump in on at that target price. I mean, well, during that time, once the stocks start to rally again. But overall, for me, target price wise, I think this could definitely hit $5. Now, $5, in my opinion, is a very modest number, especially considering it hit $3.96. But this one is day traded quite a bit, so when the volume starts to spike, it usually rallies up quite a bit. So I think if it hits a $5 level, it will definitely have a similar pattern to this. So it'll probably just go up, hit that $5 spike for a little bit, and then go back down, unless there's large legislation passed by the U.S. To do some more regulation or decriminalization around the cannabis industry. So I think $5 is pretty realistic by the end of quarter 3. for this, and I think we should have the vaccine rollout stuff behind us, and then have all that stuff figured out to be able to focus on the cannabis industry in the U.S. All right, well, drop a comment down below. Tell me which target price you guys think Sundial Growers will get to. Do you think that it'll get higher than $5? Do you think 390 is the highest that you could see it going? Make sure that thumbs up definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.